my viewers and subscribers. This is Marcia Lifestyle, and I'm back, guys, with another cooking vlog. And today, guys, I'm going to cook some beef chop suey, and I'm going to take you along with me. So, guys, they're already cut very thin to make it very easy to cook. So this is what I'm going to use and make the chop suey, this type of beef. And guys, I hope you're having a wonderful and blessed day. And remember, with God, everything is possible. And guys, remember, show Marcia some love over here, man. Show me some love, guys, by liking, sharing, leaving a comment, and subscribing to my channel. Once you like my content, guys, there's no need not to subscribe. So I'm gonna cut them up in pieces. Cut them up in pieces, guys. And I'm going to fry it. I don't want to take a long period of time to cook. That's why I always use these thin pieces. Yeah. Now make sure I wash it. Wash it with a piece of lemon. These are what I'm going to use to make my chop suey. Okay? So I'm going to use garlic and pepper. So I'm going to add just a little browning on it. Just a little. Yeah. Crushed pepper. I just love pepper, guys. You don't have to put crushed pepper. A crushed pepper. Thyme. Dried thyme. Some dry thyme, guys. You know the dry thyme tastes different from the green thyme. Yes, the dry thyme tastes different from the green thyme. The green thyme have more flavor. Okay. So I had my salt-free seasoning. Little all-purpose seasoning. Some Old Bay seasoning. Some garlic and pepper seasoning. So this is it, guys. So I season it, guys, so I'm rub it in. I'm going to fry it. This is enough to make the chop suey. I have some curry chicken over here too that I'm gonna cook today also. I'm gonna look about lunch, you know, lunch, something to carry me to work. Yes, lunch and dinner. So when I cook it, serve me 2 days or 3 days. When I go work and come back, I'm tired normally. So here I had my bok choy, carrot, and my cabbage in this. And I had my seasoning here. This is for the beef chop suey. I have bell pepper, cucumbers, white onion, green onion, tomato, and a piece of green thyme. So for my curry, I'm gonna make a different seasoning for the curry. I'm just adding my oil to both pot. I use organic olive oil. I also use sunflower seed oil too. So let that get heated. Then I added my beef. And let that one get heated. Then I added my curry chicken. So I'm gonna add some curry to my oil. Since I'm cooking both of them, I'm just gonna show you both of them together. So here I had my curry chicken. It's already seasoned with my favorite seasoning. I'm gonna cook the beef chop suey. Why not cook my lunch too? You know, at the same time. You cook for 2 or 3 days. Only 3 days of food can in the fridge and it does not affect your tummy. So let me show you the beef. So that is the beef, guys. And this is my curry chicken that I'm cooking. Yeah. Water for my dinner and my lunch. Yeah. And the beef. So guys, what I did, I had some warm water to the beef. So I'm gonna let it cook. When you prepare your own food, it's much better and safer for you to eat. If you're even not a big chef, you can rig up your thing and it tastes good. You rig it up and bring it to work. But sometimes some people don't have the time, because I know America is a fast moving place. Some people don't have the time. Well, I'm off today, so I'm getting that fixed up. So I'm gonna add some water to my curry. Alright, let it cook before I added the seasoning. We Jamaican call the white potato Irish potato. So I'm going to add my cucumber, my white onion, my green onion, my thyme, and my potato. So guys, I had the seasoning in. So this is my curry. As I told you before, I'm just preparing dinner and lunch to bring to work. Okay guys, so this is it. Here I had the beef. It's not cooked as yet. When it cook, I had my vegetable. I'm going to add my bok choy, my cabbage, and my carrot to the beef. Beef is cooked, so I'm just gonna add this to it. So for the beef chop suey, I added everything: the cabbage, the bok choy, the carrot, bell pepper, cucumbers, white onions, thyme, yes, tomato. Had everything in. Everything will blend in and taste good. So guys, I'm gonna cook the pumpkin and the sweet potato. As I said, just add some salt to the water. The curry chicken is almost ready. Let me see, this can stir. Put it into a bigger pot. So that should have done. So this is the beef chop suey, guys. So I'm going to add some butter bean to the curry. This is the curry chicken. It's almost complete. So guys, this is sweet potato. I'm gonna peel it. You can also use a peeler, the little peeler that they use to peel orange or vegetable, and peel your potato. You don't go too deep. That's where you peel off a lot of the food. You can't peel it too thin. Because we used to it, we know exactly how to peel it, you know. So this is the way you peel it. Like that. It like this. Yeah. So this is how we cut it. So this is the pumpkin now. Take the inside out. I'm so afraid of the knife, guys. Afraid of knife, sharp knife. The knife is so sharp. So I'm kind of afraid of it, guys. So what I'm going to do, because the knife sharp, I'm going to like trim it around. At the pumpkin, you can put the pumpkin in the skin. You don't have to peel off all of it. You can just take off a little of the skin. I think I heard some people say the skin part of the pumpkin is rich also. So I don't know. That's what I heard, you know. So here again, guys, peel another piece of pumpkin. Get the middle out. Let me check on this. So my curry chicken is ready, guys. I'm gonna turn off this stove. This now, my beef chop suey. So I don't add any water to it. It's just a little gravy from what the beef cooked down to. I had the vegetable to it. So this pumpkin look dry and nice. Yeah, it's two different type of pumpkin I'm cooking. I had one before and I just get this one. So I don't know which one gonna be much more tasty. But guys, this is the way I no. Taking my time, guys. In no rush for the knife to cook me, guys. So we just take off a couple pieces of the back part, as I told you, of the pumpkin. Some people don't do it. Some people just take the inside out and just put the pumpkin on the fire. Whatever you pleases, you know, you do. So when the pumpkin is cooked, if you don't want to eat the outside, you just eat the inner part of the pumpkin. So that's it, guys. Water is boiling here, so I'm gonna add my food. That first pot that I had it in was small, so that's why I changed it over to a much bigger pot. So guys, I'm also gonna put a ounce of butter in my chop suey. So I just need some dumpling fast, because if I was going to use now cook the flour, it is the first one supposed to go in the pot. It must start boil up yet. Well, hurry. Yes, sir. Dumpling them not so pretty, but you know, they can go on. They're not so pretty, guys, but it can go on. So when I'm out of the kitchen right now, when I finish this, the only thing I had to do in the morning when going to work now is just prepare a little breakfast. Little cereal with some Fruit Loops with some oats and milk, or boiled 2 egg with toast bread and butter, something. Yes, and also can use full beef and make a sandwich for my breakfast. A nice cup of coffee, you know. So I start boil up some, and put in the flour. So I make these very fast. I didn't plan to cook any flour. Right. So that's it. Let me check the chop suey. Oh, chop suey look good, man. Ooh. Yeah. Let me show you my chop suey. My beef chop suey. That's my beef chop suey. So as I tell you, I use a tin. The strips like the thin piece of beef. The bottom round, they call it, of the beef. Yes, to make my beef chop suey. So this is ready, guys. It is ready. So that is the food pot, guys. Yeah. So I have my dumpling, my pumpkin, and my sweet potato. For Jamaican style. So guys, this is my beef chop suey. See it? So you have sweet potato and pumpkin and dumpling. Here it is. Yeah, juicy and nice. There it is, a beef chop suey. That's my blessing scroll. With some sweet potato, dumpling, and all of that. It is nice, just like a chicken chop suey. The only difference with the beef chop suey and the chicken chop suey is that the beef that took longer to cook. The chicken chop suey prepared much faster. So you have to cook the beef, you know, for it to really taste good and have that nice texture. Yeah. Pumpkin is good. Guys, just continue to show me some love over here, guys. Yes, just continue to show Humble Master Lifestyle some love over here. And thank you for the support, guys. And blessings and more blessings to you guys. Peace out, guys. Peace.